Alright, we're recording now, and this is a couple of idiots. You can see there's a table saw here, and we're about to roll a ping pong ball into that table saw just to see what the fuck happens. So, hold on tight, and enjoy the ride. I want to find the ball if I can.
Where'd it go?
I have no idea where the ball went, but it didn't seem to actually puncture the ball. So let's try it again with a different ball. On that one, you can clearly see it did, in fact, cut the ball. Also got me pretty good in the neck. And this is why you don't fuck with table saws.